How to fix Snapchat something went wrong. Hello guys, so in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat something went wrong problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and then go to the airplane mode, enable it, and after 3 seconds disable it. Go back and then open the apps manager like this and go to the Snapchat, click on force stop and then click on notifications, disable all notifications, and then go back, click on permissions, make sure to enable all the permissions and then go back again, and now click on the storage, click on clear data, click on delete, go back, and now what you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.